Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial what we are going to learn is, like in the previous tutorial we learned how to change the select color, like from default color it is blue, so we changed it totally. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a custom, like change this scroll bar, it's looking square scroll bar, to rounded scroll bar like in Mac. So what I did is I made the same layout I used in the previous tutorial about the select. So I made this whole wrapper like container. I named style it class name, and I change its height so it will be bigger than screen, so that we can show this scroll bar. So let's do it. First we need to do is the same thing like this. We use the double colon, and then with a dash we use the web kit, then dash again scroll bar. So in here what we do is we change the width of the scroll bar to 10 pixels. So we can see just a second to just change this to 20, and we'll give it a color. So box shadow, we'll give it a box shadow. Inset, you I think you remember from the tutorials ago that inset, when we use inset we apply shadow inside a box. So we will give 0.05 pixels of black color. So we can see we have successfully given it a shadow inside it, and now we are going to make it round. So we'll use border radius of 10 pixels. So we have now we can see that we have successfully give it a rounded corners. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to style the scroll track. What we are going to do is, so let's remove this shadow from here. We'll apply the shadow in the scroll track, so it will look better. So applying it to the scroll track and changing its radius to 10 pixels. And next what we are going to do is we are going to style the thumb, the actual thumb. Web kit scroll thumb. So this is the actual that button, like that we used to pull around. So we'll apply this shadow here, and we'll apply this border radius too. So now we can see we have a nice rounded scroll bar in our HTML. So I guess we can play around with it a little bit more. So let's try it. I'll give a little bit padding maybe. Let's see if it works. I don't think it is working. Anyway we have learned the basics. So this is how it's done, like to make us rounded scroll bar. First we style the scroll bar, the total scroll bar, then the scroll track, means the track that this is going to slide, this thumb is going to slide, then style the thumb. So what we did it is use two semicolons, then dash followed by a web kit, then what you want to style, the scroll bar. Then after that, scroll bar is like an object, like inside that we have the track and the thumb. So we do it like this, like we select the scroll bar, then inside from that we select the track. So and this is we are applying shadows to it, and maybe we can add background color also. I'm not sure, I never tried it. So I'll just apply red. Let's check it out. Yeah, we have successfully added the background color also. It works here. So I guess you guys learned something new, and if you like it, please do share it, and please feel free to try it and ask any question if you have below the comment. I'll surely respond. Thank you.